Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we are going to learn how to design baby shower invitation card in Photoshop. Before getting started, please do download the project file link in the description. With the project file, it will be much easier for you to follow this tutorial. So download the project file and get ready. In case if you want the completely designed .psd file means hit the like button. Soon after reaching 500 likes, I'll give you the download link. Fine, let's get started. First go to File, New and create a new canvas based on your requirements. If you're going to print the file means make sure the resolution is 300 and the file format is CMYK, which is print format. Else you can go to the project file, open the baby shower PSD inside Photoshop. This one is a design ready file. I have given you the color palette, the color we are going to use in this design. Size is A4. I have gone for RGB mode just for tutorial purpose. Next we are going to create a solid color background. For that go to background group, create a layer. Now go to color picker, sample and select this blue color. Now fill the color. I used keyboard shortcut Alt backspace. Of course you can go with any color, it's up to you. Next I'm going to create a center guidelines. For that go to view, click new guide. There select vertical. I'm going to type 50% here. Now click OK. There you go. We created our center guideline. Next we are going to create a image placeholder. It's nothing but a circle shape. For that go to image group, create a layer. Now go to color picker, select black color. Now pick shapes tool, there select ellipse tool. Make sure fill is enabled, stroke is disabled. Now hold shift key and create a perfect circle shape like so. Now place it at the center. Yes, this is going to be our image placeholder. Next, time to drop in our image. Go to project file, open the baby stock image inside Photoshop. Of course you can use your image, drag and drop the image inside our canvas. Make sure to place the image right above our image placeholder layer. Now right click and clip master layer. There we go. Now we enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. Fine, once you're done, next we're going to add stroke effect to our image placeholder. For that select the image placeholder layer, right click, blending option, select stroke. There I'm going to keep the size as 18. I'm going to change the position as outside, mode as normal, opacity as 100. I'm going to change the color to kind of this dark blue color. Click OK. There you go, our stroke effect is ready. Next we are going to drop in few vector images. It's going to be interesting part. Before that I'll disable the color palette and I'll disable the guideline. Fine. Next go to project file, open the vector design PSD file inside Photoshop. There you'll see a pre-designed vector images. Now drag and drop the folder inside our canvas. Make sure to place the canvas inside design group. Now it's time to arrange the images where you want. We're going to resize the image. First let's start with cloud image. Now select the group. There I'm going to select the cloud layer. Now I'm going to move the cloud image to left side top here. Now enable free transform to Ctrl T and resize the image. I'll place it here. Click enter. Next I'm going to create a duplicate copy using keyboard shortcut Ctrl J. I'll move it to right side middle part here. Next I'll create another copy, Ctrl J. This one goes on left side. Another copy, Ctrl J. This one goes right behind our image placeholder. If you want you can resize the image by enabling free transform tool Ctrl T. Fine. Next we are going to move other images. Next I'm going to resize the bird image. If you find other images disturbing means you can disable them. Like so. Fine. Now I'm going to move the bird 1 image to right side top. I'll place it here. Now enable free transform tool Ctrl T and resize the image. I'm sure now you understood how it works. Next, heart image. I'll place it here. Enable free transform tool Ctrl T and resize it. Fine, I'll settle with this one. Next, moon. This one goes left side top. Enable free transform tool, Ctrl T, hold shift key and resize the image. I'm going to repeat very same step for rest of the images. Make sure to use your imagination and you can arrange wherever you want. It's up to you. I'll fast forward the process. There you go. I arranged all the images where I want. Next it's time to add our text content. For that, go to text group, create a layer. Now go to color picker, pick white color. The font I'm using is a free font. I'll give a link in the description, you can download it. Now type your text content, place it at the center. I'll create a duplicate copy, Ctrl J. I'll edit the text. Fine. Next I'll enable the color palette, create a layer, go to color picker, sample and select this dark brown color. Now add your other text content. I'm using very same font. I'll reduce the font size a little bit down. Fine. Next I'm going to add the name, create a layer, go to color picker, select white color. Now add your text content. Fine. Next I'm going to add remaining invitation text informations. I'm sure you know how it works. I'll fast forward the process. There you go. Once you added all your text informations, next as a final step, we're going to add star dots. For that, go to project file, double click and install the star brush. Now roll back to your canvas. In design group, create a new layer. Now go to color picker. Now sample and pick this bright blue color. Now pick the brush tool. There I'm going to select the newly installed star brush, this one. Now reduce the brush size and give random clicks to create that attractive star dots. If you want to increase the brush size means you can use the keyboard shortcut bracket keys. I'll fast forward the process. Once you're done, our baby shower invitation card is ready. Disable the color palette. Now export the file as PDF or PNG and get it printed. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to hit the like button for more tutorials, subscribe to my channel and please do check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.